Compassion means putting that animal's needs before your own. In animal care, compassionate animal care means leaving everything from the outside world behind and being present in that moment with that animal so that you can meet that animal's needs on a moment-by-moment basis.
As part of our mission, we've developed a leading animal welfare program that not only complies with the highest regulatory requirements and guidelines, but more than that, our program was founded on a culture of compassion, respect, and integrity. It is these principles that drive our program, and also the core belief that the work we do with these animals is a privilege.
When our clients ask what distinguishes our CRO in the animal welfare program from anyone else's, I tell them it's two things. Number one, people. And number two, the compassion that they bring to their job to do it right.
To ensure the animal's well-being and safety is a top priority, every employee engages in rigorous and ongoing training, regardless of their role. Each employee's commitment begins at onboarding when they sign an animal welfare contract and pledge for care.
Our care program, Compassion, Alternatives, Reduction, and Enrichment, is one that's very unique to this business. Our care program does not just embody one particular month during the year, but it's every day of every week of every month.
We have people in the organization that concentrate purely on the behavior and the well-being of the animal.
Our veterinary team is available to offer 24-hour observations. We have a dedicated team who works with each species to provide appropriate animal training designed to reduce stress. Additionally, our behavior and enrichment team ensures the psychological well-being of each species by providing environmental enrichment through positive human interactions, appropriate housing conditions, and through stimulus and activities. Over 90% of our animals are socially housed, and we also offer EU housing.
We have electronic systems. Many of our staff carry tablets with them every single day to record findings and rapidly communicate.
We have a standing animal welfare meeting that brings all operational groups together on a weekly basis, and a diverse IACUC team who ensures all research is conducted with the highest scientific, humane, and ethical principles.
Compassionate animal care is essential because the quality of animal care that we provide today determines the quality of medicine that we put forth tomorrow.
We are Altasciences, delivering compassion to improve lives.